Welcome to Applied Logics. In this video, we will write a program to find whether the given number is odd or even. For example, if you get an input number as a 10, your program should say that given number is even number. If you have input as a 21, your program should be able to detect that the given number is a odd. So let's see how we can implement it in Java. Okay, so you can see I am creating a solution.java file. Yes, I have a public class solution in it. Let's go ahead and add main method to it. That will be a public static void main, and let's pass the string array args arguments, array of arguments to it. Okay, now let's define a variable, integer variable, that is number, and I will take my first example. I will initialize the number with 10. Now here we will add a check which will detect whether the given number is odd or even. Now the question is how we can detect the same. Now there is an operator called as a modulus operator. Okay, and by the definition of odd or even number, what you can say, if the number is divisible by 2, it is an even number. If it is not divisible by 2, you can say the number is odd. We will use same set of operations, like instead of using divisible by 2, what I will do, I will use mod operator. So here is the condition: if number mod 2 exactly equals to 0, means the number is perfectly divisible by 2. In that case, as you know, we have to say that the number is even. So I will simply put system.out.printed new line, and I will string given number is even. Okay, so I will print this as the output. Else, if the number is not even, obviously the number should be odd. So I will simply put system.out.printed new line and similar statement like given number is odd. Okay, let's see if the program is running perfectly or not. So I will quickly move to the terminal. Okay, so you can see terminal over here, and I will compile the code first. So as you know, the command like java c, and you have to pass the solution.java file to it. And yeah, here you can observe initially we have only one, that is solution.java file with us, and now after compilation you can see the .class file got generated. Now you have to run the code. So with the command java and then just the solution. Yeah, it says given number is even. Let's go back to the code and change our input to second input, that is instead of a 10 I will use number as a 21. In this case your output should be like given number is odd. So let's see if we get the same output or not. So I'm compiling the solution one more time so that the code will be get updated, and I'm running the code. Yeah, you can see we have received output saying given number is odd. Okay, so this is the logic by which you can say whether the number is odd or even. Now you can change it, like instead of having, let's say, number mod 2 exactly equal to 0, you can use something like number of mod 2 exactly equal to 1. But in that case you have to change the statement, right? You have to say that if you found some remainder, in that case that number will be odd. So you can alter the statement if you want this type of implementation as well. So again, this will also work exactly similar to what was working earlier. Okay, yeah, so with that we are completed with the solution for finding a number whether it is odd or even. If you have any question around it, or if you have any doubt around it, feel free to go ahead and post the comment in the comment section below. Thank you.